Clear signs are now emerging about a Pakistan-China collaboration on the Indian border. As we all know, China has deployed an aggressive posture on the eastern Ladakh side of the border with over 10,000 troops. Now, new intelligence reports suggest that Pakistan too has moved 2 division worth of soldiers along the Indian line of control and in Gilgit-Baltistan. This amounts to about 20,000 additional soldiers which have been moved to the Indian border in the past few weeks. This has been a scenario which has been war gamed by India a long time ago. A two-front war or a two-front threat in which Pakistan and China join forces and try to threaten India. And the half front in addition to that is the terrorism front in Kashmir. We have also reported that Chinese officials are believed to have been in touch with Al Badr, a Pakistan-based terror group which has a history of violence in Kashmir, and we believe that there has been an attempt to revive this group again to cause unrest in the valley as the army is engaged at both fronts. As we know, Pakistan has been a very old and trusted ally of China. They have been together on all international forums. China is one of the biggest suppliers of weapon systems and aid to Pakistan. And as the problem arises with India, Pakistan seems to have come up in support of China. We have already reported earlier that the Skardu Air Base, which is in POK, in fact it is located in Gilgit-Baltistan area, has already been used by the Chinese Air Force to land its refueler aircraft. Earlier in the past, we have seen China and Pakistan performing joint air exercises. In fact, very close to the area of conflict in eastern Ladakh right now. And there have been apprehensions that if conflict occurs in one of those two areas, the other country would come and help them. So as of now, there is no conflict. We just know that soldiers have been moved in, border posts have been beefed up along the LOC by Pakistan. A similar posture has been put in place by India as well. And as we know, talks with China are still making no headway. The third Lieutenant General level talks were held on Tuesday, but information on what really happened is not forthcoming, though we don't expect that any big change on the ground will take place. As we know, since early May, China has infiltrated and done incursions at several spots along eastern Ladakh without any provocation. India in return has beefed up its positions and has asked the Chinese to go back. At one of these flashpoints in Galwan, we saw the skirmish on the night of 15th of July in which 20 Indian soldiers and an undisclosed number of PLA soldiers were also killed. I think everyone is watching the situation very carefully as it evolves, but the worst case scenario which has been planned for by Indian strategic analysts is 2.5 war, in which China, Pakistan and terrorism in Kashmir opens up together. And that is something which India has been preparing for, and this situation seems to be the closest that we have got to it ever.